Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah McCarthy, but you already knew that. Today we're going to be talking about Vial. What is Vial? I'm so glad you asked. This is Vial. Long wearing, not drying. Vial doesn't peel your lips. We make it using a green chemistry process. What's a green chemistry process? A green chemistry is that we use natural ingredients that mimic synthetic properties. So for this particular one, we use Moroccan dates. Moroccan dates. We actually ferment them. Wait, but isn't that what you do with wine? Yes, it is. But in this case, the fermented oils that come out of the dates allow it to absorb into your skin without those harsh chemicals, and it moisturizes and allows the lip color to be stuck to it. The lip colors are super highly pigmented, so you don't need a lot. We're going to go through each one of the colors, and I'm going to show you what they look like on me. Ready? Ready. Before you apply Vial, you want to make sure that your lips are a little bit dry because it makes the application a little easier. Your primer. This primer has the Moroccan date oil in it that I talked about earlier. So what you're going to do is you're going to take it out. You're going to wipe off the excess. You don't need a whole lot. You're going to put it on the bottom. Look at that Cupid's bow. Voila, you got the primer on. Now, unlike other products, we got to let this dry a little bit till it gets a little tacky and gummy, almost like a sticky note. So that could take anywhere between 30 seconds to a minute. So while we're doing that, I'm just going to swatch our first color. The first color we're going to apply is called Beyond the Pale. Look at that. It's a very almost light pink nudie color. Looks different on every different skin tone. Look at that. Just a light, it's almost a nude. It's great if you don't like a lot of color. This one's a great one to blend with the other colors to kind of make new and mixy-matchy color. All right, it's a little tacky, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. Once again, I'm gonna wipe off the excess. Trust me, you'll get the hang of this after a while. I'm just gonna put a little on. And for me, I just rub the lips together because I don't go up on the Cupid's bow area with this because I find it gets too much. I'm gonna let it dry. It's gonna dry to a nice little matte. Fabulous. So that is Beyond the Pale. What do you guys think? Since it's long-lasting lip color, how do we remove it when it's the end of the day? Well, there's a couple ways to remove it. You can use a lip oil, a lip scrub, or you can grab up some of our Paradol tonic, whatever flavor you happen to want. You can grab up that and you can wipe it off. If I go out and go to somewhere that's really greasy that mimics lip oil, I have to reapply. Reapplication is really simple. You just throw a little bit more primer on in the areas you need to and then put the color back. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this color. I'm just gonna grab a cotton round, throw some Paradol on there. Our next color is Stop Blushing. Once again, I'm going to apply the primer. So you can see that's got a little bit more pink, and you can see I have almost too much on my hands because remember, this is highly pigmented, so you don't need a whole bunch of product. That means this is gonna last forever. All right, so that's Stop Blushing. So you can see it's a very nice light pink color. I think it looks fabulous in almost every skin tone out there, but you're gonna have to try it to find out. All right, let's take this one off. All right, we're gonna do Mocha Me next. Mocha Me is a kind of like a brownish color. I'm not a huge fan of it, but I've been told it looks good. You got it, rock it. You can see it's kind of like a darker color. What do you think? I'm not quite used to this dark color, but that's Mocha Me. Let's take this off and move on. I would not recommend doing this 6 times. You can see how red it's getting around here. Just saying. This is one of my absolute favorite colors. This one's called Love the Wine You're With. Well, if you insist. Let's prime, shall we? This one's like almost like a burgundy, like a deep red. I love the color. I didn't think I would like something this dark, but I absolutely love it. That is Love the Wine You're With. I absolutely adore it. We're starting to get sloppy with our application as time goes on. Once they're dry, fully dry, you got to give it a little bit. Like, don't go off or rush off and have your wine right away. Once they're fully dry, they do not transfer onto other things. Let's do the kiss test. Look at that. No transfer. Nothing on my wine glass. Moving on. Let's go to the next one. If you like reds, Truth or Dare is your go-to Vial color. Prime, prime, prime. Look at that. Look at that bright color. You will stand out with Truth or Dare. It's fabulous. By the way, if you're not a big fan of the matte, we do have a gloss. The gloss is fabulously moisturizing. You can put it on all by itself, and your lips will be nice and hydrated throughout the day. You can put it on top of the matte, but it is going to change how long it wears. It just changes the chemistry just a little bit. It is fabulously and shiny. Lips are really going through the ringer today. This is Truth or Dare. Bright red, a brilliant red. If you like reds, this is yours. On to the last one. I'm so glad this is the last one. I'm not sure my lips could take much more. Look at that. A lot of times when I wear other types of lipsticks and some lip stains and long wearing color, my lips get really dry about halfway through the day, or even in like 30 minutes, and I have to add a gloss or add a moisturizer, and I hate that. And the fabulous thing about this is I don't feel that way. My lips get super, super moisturized, and I don't feel like I need to pull out my lip balm and put it on, point it on. This one is a limited edition that came out before Christmas, and we're talking about it because you can still grab it up. It's a deep metallic red. It's so pretty. See that very well in the video, but it is absolutely gorgeous. I didn't think that I would really love dark colors. I've never really played dark colors as much until Vial came along, and I love them. Lips, look at the outline of them, guys. So sometimes with the dark colors, what I do, because remember, less is more, I take a tissue, do the old school way of, and I just blot it off just a little bit. So that is You Slay Me, and that is all the colors we have, but wait, we have the most fabulous thing ever. This is a glitter topper. Unlike the gloss, this does not reduce the wear. This can go over every color and kind of change up the way that it looks. You can wear it by itself, it gives you that little glitter, but I absolutely adore this. So check this out. So we're just going to put it on my lids. Gives it a nice shine, it gives it glittery. Once again, don't go and change out your lip color 6 times a day. You do, this is what you get. Look how sparkly and glittery, and it changes the color just a little bit. You can also mix and match the colors if you don't really like it. I really recommend getting Beyond the Pale. Remember, guys, the color is going to look completely different depending on your skin tone and your underlying tones. I have a lot of red. I have a lot of red right now. And some yellow undertones to me. So it looks completely different than it does on my oldest daughter, who's a little bit more paler than I do. It comes either by themselves, or you can get them in a 3-pack for here, and it's discounted in the 3-pack. The nice thing is you can get your primer, because you always need a primer, and then you can get 2 other colors. I really highly recommend that one of your colors is the Decked Out while we have it glitter topper. Absolutely fabulous. This is also a mirror. Look at that. So you can go in and you can look at it, and it's a nice sturdy case. Remember, you have to get the primer, otherwise it won't work as well. I hope you got some value out of this. Don't forget to hit that button that says subscribe and leave me a comment. Which color do you think looks best on me? Let me know. I'm going to go work on getting rid of this red around my lips. I'm going to give them a break. Bye, guys.